Okay guys, I'm making a quick video because it was requested by somebody on Reddit, this nice person that talks to me every once in a while. I'm not sure what his name is, but or if it's a he or a she, but whatever. So they requested to look at, they were curious about this clip. Now I think that person thought that this is a separate clip that I have attached to this, but that's not the case. Victorinox makes some sheets with this clip attached to them, built into the sheath, and I wanted to showcase it today. This is a rotating belt clip, and it's quite firm if you try to do it with your hand. That's only as far as it goes in this direction, and you do that. In that direction too, that's as far as it goes. Very well made, very sturdy, Swiss made, and they have 91 model sheets as well. In here I have a Swiss tool Spirit. This particular sheath comes with this Swiss tool when you buy it. This sheath, although you can, I think, buy the sheath separately as well. This sheath I bought separately. This too, it's not quite as firm. I think it gets firmer with time. I'm not sure, but that's the sheath. And to show you what it looks like, and I have a Swiss champ in there. I covered it in paper because, well, I'm a little pedantic about such things. If I were to put it into a belt, if you're wearing a belt, can be straight like this. Turn it and it can align with the belt in either direction, depending on which side of your which side you want it. Do you want it on your left hip or your right hip, if that's the correct way of saying it? But that's the sheath. One quick look at this is the one I use usually. This thing is packed up and kept in my collection. It's not so hard to do turn if it's if it is actually latched onto put on a belt. If the hook is fastened to a belt. Yeah, that's it. Okay.